Welcome to your first AFDA online lecture. Today I will be talking to you about problem solving. Our first three activities in our book are focused around problem solving skills. In your textbook, there is a list of 3 steps for problem solving. So when you're looking at these, keep in mind it has to be relevant. Everything has to link together and fit, okay? So the first step they have here, you sort out your relevant information and organize. So that means you have to read this problem very carefully. Think about what it is it's actually asking. Are you asked to just answer what is it asking? And if you're answering what is the question asking, put the question in your own words instead of just writing down directly, oh, this question is asking me how far did Johnny run? Okay. Next, you have to discuss the problem. Okay. We're in groups for a reason. The reason we're in groups is to be able to talk to one another about these word problems. You may have one idea of what the problem is asking, and one of the other people in your group may have a different idea completely. But if you come together and discuss your ideas, you may get a deeper understanding of what it's really asking in the problem. The last step that is there is write your solution in a complete sentence. This is very important because we are dealing with word problems. We have to link that information that we get for our solution back to the word problem that we are answering. So it's important to write a sentence about it because you will need to be stating your units for whatever you have found, and you will need to state the information for the people that are talked about in there. So it's important that you do make those complete sentence answers. Now, in our textbook on page 4, we have George Polia's quotes out of his book, How to Solve It. This book is about problem solving. So I've set this link down here to his book. And on page 8 is basically the same information that we have here for these 4 steps. However, what I would like you to do right now is to click the link, go to that web page, look at page 8, and compare what our textbook has for the words for the steps for solving problems versus what's in that actual book that George Polya has written. Okay, so take some time to do that. Then, when you're done with that, I want you to write about it. What did you find? What is the difference between what's in our textbook versus what is in the book that they took the information from? If there is a big difference, write about it. Okay? Come in with what you saw was different so that you can share that with your classmates. All right? So be prepared to discuss the information when you come into class. And we'll see you in class.